Hi, this is my first video with sound. First thing of all, I want to give some shout outs to some of my some people that I subscribe and they subscribe me. That one tech girl, she reviews on phones. So far she's only reviewed on 2 phones, but still, that's okay. Oh yeah, I wanna give a shout out to Bammer Bear. That's my best friend on YouTube. I only have 2 friends. I'm very new, and so yeah. And I want to give a shout out to this other person that I subscribed once, which I don't know why, but they're cool. Cool. I want to give a shout out to most of those people that review the XTC. Here's what I have to review. This ugly thing. It's touchscreen and crap like that. My favorite color is blue. Why I wear this dorky thing is to where you guys can hear. Yeah. So, you guys probably gonna hear me, but anyways. So, yeah, my favorite food is pizza, favorite candy, Swedish fish, oh yeah, favorite soda, grape, favorite food, pizza, things like that. Small things like that could change my life. But yeah, so you guys are cool. I want to give a shout out also to my rats, my 2 rats. Should I say my 4 rodents? One was a mouse. One was a rat. One was a rat. I would take one of my rats out, but no. Well, I will do a video in probably tomorrow about me and a stroller. I know, pretty crazy stuff I do, but it's just how life goes. So I hope you guys like my first video and how I set it up. And yeah, I'm a person either with comedy or with review. Like phones and peas, lamps, anything, basically. Soda, bikes, strollers, crap like that. And comedy, I don't know, I dance, I do cartwheels, I do anything. Basically, check out my channel, be good about it. Please don't bring me bad comments like get off YouTube or something. Have fun, you guys. And I love you guys. Have fun with life. Life is good. People love me. Love them too. This is what I do when I'm getting very excited or I'm thinking. Like having a massage. Love to Kayla Grigsby. Love to her. Love to Jana Grigsby. And love to all those people that love me. And love to John Jones.